It is a rainy day. Yesterday it was so nice we could go to the park. Today it is raining. Hi. You ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
All right, we're headed into Costco. We're going to try not to get completely soaked getting in the door because it is very rainy right now. It's a good thing Levi has his hat on. We're going to do our beginning of the month, beginning of the year grocery haul, which is so exciting. What's that?
No.
Snow?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
But the flower.
Oh, it is a flower, you're right. We got our list. We got our masks. We're all set for shopping, huh? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've been seeing these and I want one, but they're so expensive. But it keeps your coffee hot. Temperature control smart mug. What will they think of next, huh, Levi?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
But these.
They still have the Instant Pot Duo Gourmet here. It's not on sale anymore, but $79.99 is not a bad price. Not a bad price. Gotta grab some bacon. Do you like bacon?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna do this bacon. And we're gonna do that bacon. You want some turkey?
Yeah.
Need some cream cheese. No? No, please put it back. Thank you. We're gonna go see if they have our sausages for breakfast sandwiches, but these days I don't have much hope anymore. Look, Levi, they're back. Oh, they're a little different though. They don't say low fat anymore. They're different. But they're here. Levi, they're here. Say hooray. Hooray. So you can have breakfast sandwiches, remember? You love breakfast sandwiches.
My favorite.
Yeah. So now we can get everything we need for breakfast sandwiches. We're so excited. We're gonna do a huge batch. You want some cheese? Okay. They have a really good sale on our favorite crackers right now. $5.99 a box. Limit 6. I think we'll probably get 4 to really stock up. Do you see our crackers? Do you love our crackers? You can put that in. Go ahead. And they have our sandwich thins over here all ready for us to grab. You want to get these bananas? All right, we have some ripe ones at home, so let's get a green one. There's some green bananas for you. And we'll get some very green ones too. There we go. Yeah, you can eat some bananas at home, okay? Yeah, they look so good. They have our pork rinds on sale this month too. It's a good deal. Grab a couple of those. All kinds of healthy snacks on sale because, you know, it's January. That looks interesting. Huh.
I got it.
Uh-oh. Don't lose it, man. All right, we're gonna get coffee. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 of those. That's such a good price. I think the price has gone down. What do you think? Can you get it? That's on good sale this month too. Too bad I just bought a new one. I'm grabbing these pajamas for Levi and for Renee. I love that they're organic cotton. It's so hard to find pajamas that aren't polyester. Is that, no, that one's not for you. That one's for Renee. Look, this one has a big truck on it, or a big backhoe or something. You ready to go home? I know you want to take that mask off. This was our biggest Costco grocery haul in a long time. Almost $400. $400. You ready to go home?
Yeah.
You ready to take off your mask when we go outside? Yeah.
Let's outside.
Let's go outside. All right, take off your mask. You can finally take it off. Oh, and your hat too, huh? Does that feel better? That feel better?
Uh-oh, my head.
Oh, I have it. I'll give it back to you. There is our very full cart. I'll see if I can show you what we got here. Get it set out in my trunk. So first off, here's all the non-food. The jammies for Renee and for Levi. Baking soda, dish soap, Epsom salt, and laundry detergent. And then here is our food haul. And I'm so glad I can finally make breakfast sandwiches again. For the breakfast sandwiches, I got 4 bags of sausage. I'm going to do a huge batch. These 3 things of sliced cheddar are for the sandwiches, and then 8 things of sandwich thins. So excited about that. I got 2 double packs of the organic flour for my homemade bread, cream cheese, some organic strawberry jam, bacon, organic tomato sauce for pizza and stuff, some spaghetti noodles and some other kinds of pasta, some roasted turkey breast. Back there I've got 2 packs of bananas and then the 4 boxes of almond flour crackers that we love that's on sale. I hadn't been buying them as often because they are pretty expensive as far as snack foods go, and so when they're on sale I decided I would stock up on those. 2 bags of the organic rainforest coffee. My mom drinks that and she lives with us now, and so got 2 bags for both of us. The Annie's mac and cheese was on sale, so I grabbed a pack of that for some special meals. 2 packs of string cheese to last us the month. 2 bags of pork rinds that we like that were also on sale this month. And last thing is organic maple syrup. And the total that I spent was $397.26. Oh, you're so hungry. I know you want to eat some crackers. You have plenty. Can't make it through a grocery shopping trip without a few snacks with this boy. There you go. Got it? Don't spill. Uh-oh. How many thumbs up do you give the crackers? 2?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up? That's a lot. That's all the thumbs you have. There's some sandwiches.
Yeah.
Oh man, it feels so good to have a huge stock of sandwiches again. It's been over a month that I wasn't able to get those sausage patties. Just so glad that Costco's taking care of us again. You need more crackers? Okay.